Hello Taurus, welcome to your December 2021 readings. I hope you guys are doing great. Guys, this reading is going to be timeless in general in nature, so take only what resonates with you. Also, please check out your other signs, and if you feel drawn to the title of any other reading, please check out those messages also, as there might be some guidance for you. Okay, so let's get started. Firstly, I'm going to pull out some oracle cards for you, and then at the end, I'll pull out some tarot cards and you'll see the messages. Love. Two more cards. Two more cards. Love is in the air. So maybe you are coming to the realization that you have a lot of love for somebody, and you have a lot of sincere and genuine feelings for somebody, and this could also be somebody else coming towards you and expressing their emotions and feelings to you. Okay, so you can take it both the ways. And this could also be for some of you, this could also be in regards to that self love that you're trying to uh, you know give to yourself. Okay, transformation. So you are going through some that dark night of the soul, I would say, some sort of awakening, and then miracles. Wow, so much positive and abundant. I mean, if you see, there's so many colors in this and so many flowers. So this really is a time of celebration also for some of you. So maybe you are attending some functions in your family, some weddings, some ceremonies, and maybe you're seeing a lot of couples around you, a lot of things that actually you know um, make you feel that you are loved. This could also be your spirit guides, okay, your ancestors. So this could be in regards to many things, and I think some of you are also thinking about traveling, and that will also be very fruitful because there are certain things that you're going to come to learn about it. And yeah, let's see what more comes to you. Okay, let me pull out some more cards for you. Okay, this card show up. Expect powerful changes, new moon eclipse, which is already reaching. Okay, so in December we have the new moon eclipse, and then you will see that some things will, like, I mean, some cycles are ending and you're entering into a better phase, because here after the transformation you've got the miracles card. So something is transforming into better times, better energies, higher vibrations, better relationships, better job opportunities or career opportunities in any regards. you know New gates opening for you, and this is time for you to set new intentions with that clarity that you've got from this transformation, the wisdom you've gained from this, and now you have the clarity where you want to go forward. Now if you don't have the clarity, you can also ask your guides. You can also take a walk in the nature, and maybe something will really give you that guidance about it. And I also see, because here in the transformation also there's two energy that's available. Okay, so this represents you, yellow and blue. Yellow is more about you taking that power in your hands, and taking the responsibility of your own life, and then guiding it into the right direction with the conscious, with the awareness. okay, and positivity. And then also expressing yourself freely, comfortably, who you are. This could also be you expressing your emotions, you standing in your power, taking the lead and expressing your emotions to somebody, because you're also, we have the card of love, okay. And this could also be is like you feeling loved and nurtured by the people around you, okay. But something is shifting for you, definitely. You're coming into the better times, I would say. See, in all these three cards, there's a lot of nature and greenery that you can actually see. Okay? So this card is showing up and I will take it. Hold your vision. Yeah. Keep your eye on the goal. Okay? No matter what, keep your eye on the goal, on your vision, on your end goal. You have to reach the top. Okay? You're still here, you have to reach that top. Okay? And that's what I was saying. Look at the bigger picture. No? You're still here. You can see the landscape from here. You have to reach that top so that you can see things even more clearly. Okay? So you're still in the middle of the transformation. That's why I was saying. There's two colors that you're still going through that transformation, You're from that blue, that coldness, that darkness towards that light. You're still heading towards that. That's the kind of energy that I see here. Okay, and now let me pull out some more cards for you, oracle cards. So it's like better times, better opportunities. Yeah, forgiveness, yes, releasing and letting go certain people, certain situations that are not really aligning with you energetically now. So making new journeys, making new paths. You are now able to activate the power of love in order to release past hurts. Okay? This could also be a time for you to self-love, okay? Maybe you've given too much of your energy to others, and it's time for you to take that all back and nurture your own cup, fill your own cup, okay? Taking care of yourself. Maybe this change that is coming towards you is like that epiphany moment that gives you the clarity that you need to pour that energy into yourself. Okay, there are things that are holding you back from your past. You have to release them. You have to make new you have to set new goals, set new dreams. We're entering into a new year. We're about to enter into a new year, and that also has the energy of 6. So that is the energy of Venus, which is ruled by your planet, your zodiac. So you're really being asked to start afresh. Okay, if you're thinking about doing some cord cutting ceremonies, go ahead, please take help of somebody who can help you with that. And then cause and effect. You are aware that the love you create in your thoughts is an agent of change and the foundation of your results. And if you can see lots of colors here. Also you have the rainbows, so many colors here. Also in the nature you have so many colors. So this is also about you balancing your chakras, 7 chakras. Okay, doing different things that make you happy, that make you feel joyful, make you feel like that child again that you've been in your childhood. Okay, so trying your hands in multiple things and seeing what really makes you happy. So that also is the energy. Some of you definitely need to do some healing, because you still even after the transformation we still have to do some healings and some releasing, forgiveness, and this is a process that you're going through. And maybe this is very much required in order for you to enter the new year with lot more positivity, energy, and a healed and energetic vibe. Okay, so that's the energy I'm getting here. So release anything that's no longer aligning with you. Okay, yeah, let me pull out one more card for you. And I'm going to pull one card for you, and if you have any questions in your mind, this is going to be your answer. The card I'm going to pull out is going to be your answer for that. Okay, I will take this card. No need to worry. Okay. Yeah, maybe you're thinking that this transformation, this healing is taking a long time. Maybe you feel like you're missing a lot of things, like you're missing on time. Time is really short, and the divine is saying no need to worry. Just focus on your healing right now. Focus on balancing and seeing. Here also, you have lots of rainbows. So the energy of that miracles, that you don't need to worry. You just focus on your healing and let the universe do its job. Okay, you will see miracles happening. The more you are aligned in the higher vibration, you will start seeing miracles around you, and you will start attracting better things into your life. Okay, so release with ease, I would say. Okay, and have faith that you will be given what you need. Now let me pull out some tarot cards for you. Okay, this card flew out. Page of Pentacles, yes. Starting again. Okay, starting again. And then two cards have flew out. So one is Page of Wands. So there is lot of beginner's energy, you're being asked to begin new, start again, begin with a like a very naive mind, with a very beginner's mind, with a lot of curiosity. Okay, focus on building your own stability, financial stability. Focus on your passions, what really makes you happy. Maybe trying out hands into different things, if I've not said that before. So you exploring your own passions and creativity, and finding financial stability, making finances through that. Okay, building your finances through that, building your career through that. Then we have the energy of Devil. Now this is the energy of your own mind, and also maybe the energy in your energetic field, in your environment, that are really taking a lot from you but not pouring enough in you. So it's time to cut those cords. Okay, so this devil is like, come back to here. This is a comfort place. Don't take a leap of faith into the new things. I'm there to help you. I will give you what you need, but this never gives you the satisfaction that you really want. Okay, so cut those cords. This is also like those karmic cleansing, cord cutting ceremonies. So that's why I'm saying, if you really need to release somebody from your energetic vibration, go ahead and do that. Okay, take the help of Archangel Michael. Also you can pray him to help you cut those cords. You can also do some energy cleansing. Take the help of people that really can help you cleanse your aura and energetic vibration. And you can perform and learn also some healing techniques for yourself. Okay, learn and study more about that. And let's pull out some more cards. It's time for you to heal, definitely, and bring into that emotional balance state. So these two cards have flew out, and that's all I will take. One is the Seven of Swords and the Wheel. Okay, so you're releasing this cycle now. It's the end of this chapter. Okay, it's the end of this chapter. If you recognize this pattern in the others, let those just cut off your energy from those people. And if you have seen these patterns in yourself, you are being asked to release that, because now it's like this wheel is only gonna turn when you're going to release this energy. You're entering into a new phase of your life, a new year, a fresh energy, and you want to be in this energy, not in this energy. Okay, so balance out that. There are cycles ending, because this is the card wheel, right? Number 10. So it's like some things are ending and new beginnings are coming. Okay, so you are in the midst of that transformation, in between the worlds kind of energy. Okay, so yeah, that's all I have for you. If you resonated with this reading, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Till then, take care and bye bye.